Hi, this is Cindy from Fuzzy Wuzzy Pups, and this little guy here is Terry. Terry is one of our babies that we have left out of our oldest litter at this time. He's going to be a silver brindle. You can see he's very friendly and outgoing. He loves to give kisses. If you look at his undercoat, he loves his belly rub too, but if you look at his undercoat, you'll see that it is a lighter gold silvery color. So he's going to be a silver brindle. He'll roll over to have his belly rubbed. He will be neutered when he comes home. He actually has an appointment on Tuesday to get that done. He has a great black mask at this time, but it's actually going to go into a silver color. He has some little white on his paws. Hi, Terry. What you doing? What you doing, Terry? And of course, you can always change his name. Hi, baby. Oh. Oh, he has a nice fluffy coat. Aw. Yes. Hi, Millie. Okay, come on, get down. I want to do video of Terry. He's very, very friendly, outgoing. His tail just wags. Look at his tail. It just wags and wags. A good name for him might be Wagger or Waggles, because he likes his tail wagging, huh? Yes. Here at Fuzzy Wuzzy Pups, our babies come with a 5-year health warranty. He has a great, great thick coat, as you can see. Very thick coat. There he goes. Turn over for his belly rubbing again. He likes his belly rubbed, huh, Terry? Yes. Oh, yeah. Come here, Terry. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So Terry is still available. He's probably going to be in the 12 to 14 pound range, like his parents. He is a awesome, awesome little baby. He's an awesome little buddy, huh, Terry? Yes. Yes. Him's a good boy. What are you shaking your head no for? What are you shaking your head no for? You want to go play? Huh? You see Diamond over there. You want to go play? Yes, him a sweet baby. Him a sweet baby. Yes, him is. Back over on his back again for his belly being rubbed. The belly rub time. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to visit FuzzyWuzzyPups.com or feel free to give us a call. Again, this is Terry. He is one of our oldest puppies that we have at this time, and he will be ready to go home anytime after February 4th. He gets another set of puppy shots then, and then he'll get to come home. And like I said, he will be neutered when he comes home. So anyway, give me a call, and I would love to talk to you about Terry. As you can see, he's kind of shorter to the ground also, like the Shih Tzu. You think? You see Millie there? You try and give Millie kisses? Huh? Thanks for watching our video, and feel free to call me if you have any questions. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Terry. Give me a kiss. Terry, give me a kiss. No, no kisses. No kisses. Oh, no, but I'll roll over for you.